Students, today we are going to study the last topic of the chapter 1 in history. Topic is thinking about time and historical periods. Historians do not see time just as a passing of hours, days or years. For historians, time is used to depict the different changes in social and economic organization over a period of time. The Britishers divided the Indian history in 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim and British. This division was mainly based on the religion of the rulers. It didn't emphasize means give importance on the economy, society and culture. Students, here I want to explain. At that time, the Britishers divided the Indian history as per given Hindu, Muslim and British. अब ये जो डिवीज़न ब्रिटिशर्स ने किया हमारे हिस्ट्री का, उसका मेन आधार था उस समय के रूलर्स का रिलीजन क्या था, वो कौन से धर्म से रिलेटेड थे। और इसके अलावा उस समय इसीलिए ना तो उस समय इकोनॉमी पे, सोसाइटी पे और ना कल्चर पर बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दिया गया। इसीलिए इस पीरियड का हमारे हिस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है। अर्लियर इन क्लास 6 इन हिस्ट्री वी स्टडी अबाउट द अर्ली सोसाइटीज़, hunters, gatherers, early farmers. This year we will study the medieval history, in which we will find more about the spread of peasants, the rise of regional and imperial means relating to empire. शाही घराना बोलते हैं. State formation. These 1000 years witnessed a considerable amount of change in all aspects of life, like the changes in maps, means locative places, in new and old terminologies, historians and their sources, new and social groups emerged, new technologies and new food and beverage arrived. Also in these 1000 years, the societies of the subcontinent were transformed, often, and economies in several regions reached a level of prosperity that attracted the interest of European trading companies. This paragraph says many European trading companies attracted to make the trading relations with the India because the high level prosperity in each and every field. That's why one by one all the European trading companies came to India, like French, Portuguese, Dutch, British, etc. Student, today we have completed chapter 1. I will send you the question answer in your WhatsApp group.